So I decided to start a worm bin. I used these guys. There's a 30 count of red worms, and I just added them in here. I only had one other worm. I haven't had any luck finding some in the wild, and I really wanted to start a worm bin, so I think I paid like $5 for those. And yeah, so this is our worm bin. We're starting it, and I'm gonna try and follow along to see how many there are. And since we know we put 30 in, well, 31 counting the original, we'll be able to reasonably track how many there are. So yeah, here are the worms. Hopefully we'll have sustained fishing bait out of this and some good worm castings. Stay tuned to see how it goes.